How does professional steam cleaning thwart molds? When we discuss cleaning molds, using steam cleaning by Melbourne pros is the most feasible way. More so, in this COVID-19 pandemic recovery period, steam cleaning of carpets is an imperative. It helps you to stay safe and healthy. But how does it work? The steam vapor kills the mold. The bristles of the brush remove the molds. The steam cleans the pores on the surface. But then you have to hire the best professionals. It will help in perfect steam cleaning and staying safe from COVID-19. Don't look for others when you have Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.